In Organon of Medicine, Samuel Hahnemann explains in Aphorism 19 to 21 the fundamental relationship between disease and medicine. These aphorisms clarify how medicines act on human body and how they help in curing the diseases. In Aphorism 19, medicines produce changes in the health. Here, Hahnemann explains, or he states that medicines have the power to produce definite changes in the human body. When a medicine is taken by a healthy person, it can create certain symptoms. For example, some substances may produce fever, nausea, or headache, or restlessness in a healthy individual. These drug produce symptoms show the true action of the medicine on the body itself. In Aphorism 20, where he says, knowledge of medicine comes from experience. In this aphorism, Hahnemann explains that the healing power of medicines can only be known through experience and observation. This knowledge is obtained through drug proving, where medicines are tested on healthy individuals to observe the symptoms they produce. These observed symptoms later help the physician match medicines with similar symptoms in the patient itself. In Aphorism 21, where he says, medicines cure by their symptom producing power. Here, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann concludes that medicines cure diseases because they have the ability to produce the symptoms similar to those of the disease. When a medicine is capable of producing similar symptoms is given to a patient, it stimulates the vital force and helps to remove the natural disease. Now we'll see the concluding part. Thus, Aphorism 19 to 21 explains the scientific connection between disease and medicine. They show that medicines act dynamically on the human body and their curative power lies in their ability to produce the symptoms. This understanding later leads to fundamental homeopathic principles of similarity, which forms the basis of homeopathic treatment. Thank you.